Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word handiwork. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The intricate handiwork on the antique vase was admired by all who saw it. Handiwork refers to the skillful and detailed work done by hand, often resulting in a piece of art or craftsmanship that showcases the creator's talent and expertise. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.